Wealth whispers, luxury screams. This saying encapsulates one of the great ironies related to money and wealth. It's not necessary to appear rich to actually be rich. This idea might seem strange to many people because we often think that wealth means having lots of expensive and flashy things. The media and popular culture reinforce this image by showing wealthy people surrounded by luxury cars, designer clothes, and grand homes. However, this perception of wealth is only on the surface and doesn't reflect the true essence of financial success. True wealth is not always obvious at first glance. It lies in living simply and humbly. Many genuinely wealthy individuals choose to live a modest lifestyle, focusing on their financial goals rather than showing off their riches. They understand that owning extravagant possessions often comes with high costs and maintenance, which can drain resources that could be better invested or saved. By prioritizing simplicity, they can avoid the pitfalls of excessive spending and ensure that their wealth continues to grow steadily over time. Those who become truly wealthy do so because they understand the importance of appearing modest. This doesn't mean living in poverty or deprivation, but rather embracing a lifestyle that doesn't scream wealth. By doing so, they avoid unnecessary attention and the pressure to maintain a lavish lifestyle. Instead, they focus on what truly matters: financial stability, security, and long-term prosperity. This mindset allows them to build a solid financial foundation, ensuring that their wealth is sustainable and not just a temporary display of affluence. When I say appearing modest, I'm not suggesting you need to wear old, torn clothes or drive a rundown car. I'm referring to adopting a simple lifestyle without showing obvious signs of wealth. This can include wearing basic clothes like jeans and simple t-shirts, and driving a regular car. In this video, I would like to discuss 7 reasons why adopting a simpler appearance is crucial. Reason 1. Looking rich is the fastest way to become poor. One of the primary reasons you should avoid appearing rich is that it can quickly lead to financial ruin. The pursuit of an expensive lifestyle often results in overspending and accumulating debt. When individuals focus on maintaining a luxurious appearance, they may spend beyond their means, using credit cards or loans to fund their lavish habits. This can lead to a vicious cycle of debt and financial instability. For example, constantly buying designer clothes, luxury cars, and other high-end items can drain your finances rapidly. The maintenance costs associated with these items, such as insurance, repairs, and upkeep, further compound the financial burden. Over time, the pressure to keep up appearances can prevent you from saving or investing, leading to a precarious financial situation. As Warren Buffett wisely stated, "If you buy things you do not need, soon you will have to sell things you need." By focusing on looking rich, you risk compromising your long-term financial health and stability, ultimately making it difficult to achieve true wealth and financial freedom. Reason 2. It attracts unwanted attention. Another significant reason to avoid appearing rich is that it attracts unwanted attention. Flaunting wealth can make you a target for theft, fraud, and other criminal activities. Criminals often prey on individuals who visibly display their wealth, seeing them as easy targets for robbery or scams. Furthermore, appearing rich can attract negative social attention. It may invite envy and resentment from others, leading to strained relationships and social isolation. People may befriend you for the wrong reasons, interested more in your wealth than in you as a person. This can result in shallow relationships and a lack of genuine connections. As Lao Tzu said, "The wise man is one who knows what he does not know, keeps to himself what he does know, and has much wealth in the eyes of his neighbors but little in his own eyes." By maintaining a low profile, you can protect yourself from these risks and focus on building meaningful relationships based on trust and authenticity. Reason 3. It creates pressure to maintain a lavish lifestyle. Appearing rich can create immense pressure to maintain a lavish lifestyle. Once you set a high standard of living, there is an ongoing expectation to keep up with it. This pressure can lead to stress and anxiety, as you constantly strive to meet the perceived standards of wealth. This pressure can also push you to make poor financial decisions, such as overspending, taking on unnecessary debt, or compromising on your financial goals. The need to uphold a certain image can overshadow more important priorities like saving for retirement, investing in your future, or building an emergency fund. As the Buddha wisely noted, Peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. By choosing a simpler lifestyle, you can alleviate the pressure to appear wealthy and focus on achieving inner peace and financial stability. This approach allows you to prioritize your long-term well-being over short-term appearances. Reason 4. It distracts from true financial goals. Focusing on looking rich can distract you from your true financial goals. When you prioritize appearances over substance, you may neglect important financial planning and investment opportunities that can lead to long-term prosperity. For example, spending excessively on luxury items leaves less money for investments that could grow your wealth over time. It also diverts attention from critical financial activities, such as budgeting, saving, and prudent investing. This distraction can prevent you from achieving financial independence and security. Confucius once said, "The superior man understands what is right. The inferior man understands what will sell." By focusing on what is right for your financial future rather than what will impress others, you can make better financial decisions and work towards achieving true wealth and stability. Reason 5. It can lead to superficial relationships. Appearing rich often leads to superficial relationships based on material wealth rather than genuine connections. When people perceive you as wealthy, they may approach you with ulterior motives, seeking to benefit from your financial status rather than forming a meaningful relationship. This can result in a network of acquaintances who are more interested in what you can provide financially than in who you are as a person. Such relationships can be shallow and unfulfilling, leaving you isolated and disconnected from those around you. As Saint Francis of Assisi said, "For it is in giving that we receive." By focusing on building authentic relationships based on mutual respect and understanding, rather than material wealth, you can create a more fulfilling and supportive social network. Reason 6. It undermines financial discipline. Trying to look rich can undermine your financial discipline. The constant urge to purchase luxury items and maintain an extravagant lifestyle can erode your budgeting and saving habits. This lack of financial discipline can lead to poor money management and an inability to achieve long-term financial goals. Financial discipline is crucial for building and maintaining wealth. It involves making prudent financial decisions, living within your means, and prioritizing long-term goals over short-term gratification. When you focus on looking rich, you may sacrifice these essential practices, hindering your ability to build sustainable wealth. As Marcus Aurelius wisely observed, "The art of living is more like wrestling than dancing." Financial discipline requires effort and resilience, but it is essential for achieving long-term stability and success. By avoiding the temptation to look rich, you can maintain the discipline needed to secure your financial future. Reason 7. True wealth does not need to prove itself. Many people who try to appear wealthy and convince others of their financial condition are often mired in debt because they finance their lifestyle through loans for home renovations, car financing, and new homes, as well as accumulating credit card debt. By displaying an image of wealth, they are actually seeking to validate their position to others, often associating wealth with the possession of material goods, social status, and group acceptance. However, true wealth does not need external validation. Those who are truly wealthy do not feel the need to prove their financial condition to others. They know that their financial security lies in the accumulation of assets and the ability to generate passive income. It fosters a materialistic mindset. Finally, focusing on appearing rich fosters a materialistic mindset that values possessions over experiences and personal growth. This mindset can lead to a shallow and unfulfilling life, where happiness is tied to acquiring more and more material goods. A materialistic mindset can also hinder your ability to appreciate the non-material aspects of life, such as relationships, personal achievements, and experiences. It can create a never-ending cycle of desire and dissatisfaction, where no amount of possessions can truly satisfy your longing for fulfillment. As the Dalai Lama stated, "The more you are motivated by love, the more fearless and free your action will be." By shifting your focus from material wealth to personal growth and meaningful experiences, you can cultivate a more fulfilling and balanced life. This approach allows you to find true happiness and contentment, independent of your material possessions. Looking rich is the fastest way to become poor. Believing that being rich means showing off your wealth is actually the fastest way to become poor. Think about it. This often happens with lottery winners who suddenly come into a lot of money. Imagine a lottery winner earning $100,000 a month. They buy a big mansion, expensive cars, go to fancy parties, and purchase lots of unnecessary things, making their expenses equal to their $100,000 income. They might feel rich at the moment, but when their winnings run out, which often happens, these high expenses without savings quickly make them poor. No matter how much you earn, if you spend it all, you will run out of money. Even if you earn $10,000 a month and spend it all, you are just one unexpected event away from being poor. Trying to look rich is not sustainable in the long run. That's why it's important to appear simple. This way of living is sustainable. By living simply and saving money, you are always ready for life's challenges. Therefore, appearing simple is essential because, although owning extravagant items may be appealing, having financial peace is much more valuable. If someone disagrees, it's because they've lost focus on what's truly important in life. So, wear a simple shirt, drive a regular car, and invest more of your money. The freedom you gain in return is worth much more than the limited freedom that comes with all the debts and material possessions from trying to appear wealthy. These are the 7 reasons why appearing poor is important. Learn more about finances in one of these videos. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.